So I made it to the Corin Forest area. In winter they have an artificial snow area for snow play, a little bit of beginner skiing. I'm just going to check it out and see what's here. That's a familiar sight, some snow making machines.
Breaking a straight line, guys. Not in the corners because we want to keep momentum through that, okay?
Didn't realise they had a toboggan track here.
Okay. And you'll make your way through this little slow trap all the way up to the red line where Mitch was damaged. Yeah, so if you don't want to damage anything today, like hats or stuff, definitely store it away.
Stuff, I had a look at this toboggan, I've got to give it a go. Next one's at 1 o'clock, so might as well have lunch here, have a bit of a break. Oh, it's going to be awesome. Got nice picnic grounds down here. So this is the main ski area, got a magic carpet to get up. So it's mainly for beginners. I might come here and check it out in the ski season if I've got time. Of course, this is autumn, so none of this is operational. I've got a snow play area up here too. We've got some man-made snow here already. So this is a slope here.
Instead of side by side,
So that was lucky. Got the last ticket for the 1 o'clock session. So I'll quickly have lunch and go back there. Ready for my first lap on the toboggan. It's going to be awesome. So you get a whole hour, it's roughly 6 laps. So I came here just to have a look at what this slide was. I thought it'd be like a slippery dip, but the Alpine Slide's a toboggan circuit, so of course I just had to do it. So the lever, push it down to go fastest, pull it back towards you to brake. Pretty simple operation. Once you get it to the top, you slide down. Ready for lap number 2, just gotta wait till the person in front's gone past that first bend. There's the start line. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this is so much fun. Brake. Coming into the first turn. Brake. Next turn. So I've had my tobogganing fun at Corin Forest. I'm at Corin Dam now. So I'll have just a quick look here, take a few photos, then I'll have to head back to the campground. It's going to be over an hour to drive back. Interesting shaped loo there. This is Stockyard Spur. It's challenging for our return trips. I won't have time to do this today. It's a possibility for the future. The water's spilling over the spillway there. Must be at 100%. That's the other end of the spillway where all the water's flowing out to. It's a pretty spectacular sight. I'll take a few more photos and I better head off back to the campground. It's a long drive. I want to get there well before dark. Just a spectacular view here. There's this square rock and Smokers Trail, so I haven't got time to do these longer walks, but I thought I'd just stop at the car park and check it out. It's got a boot cleaning station here to stop the spread of weeds and pathogens. So we didn't spend so much time tobogganing, could have done this quick, 2 or 3k walk to the lookout, but I can do that another time. Oh, this is so much fun. Brake. Coming into the first turn.